Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty, your hub of remaining apps. This video is to the effect of some of our subscribers who are asking to make a video from the scratch on how to install Metamask extension on the Kiwi or Mrs. browser and how to create multiple accounts. So we shall dive into that immediately. So when you get to your phone, go to your Google Play Store, just search for Mrs. Browser or Kiwi Browser. For me, I prefer Mrs. Browser. So this is Mrs. Browser, or if you like, you can search for Kiwi Browser. Kiwi Browser, this is Kiwi Browser, but I prefer Mrs. Browser because of the beautiful interface and the simplicity of the app. So when we search for Mrs. Browser, if it's not already installed in your phone, just install it. Then once you install it, click open. Now once the app opens up, you will have this interface before you. So you can see Mrs. features, Web3 site, extensions, and so on. So what we are interested in is extension. So then you can see Metamask here, but should in case the particular extension you are looking for is not showing here, you will come to this more and click it. It will open up and you are going to see all your extensions well arranged under different headings. So these are the extensions. You can see multi-chain extensions. Okay. If you scroll up, you can see EVM, different types. We have the BRC20, the Solana, the Cosmos, Aptos, but our concern now shall be in the EVM, and we want to use Metamask. So simply click Metamask. The other thing you can pay attention to is you can click this three dotted line. If the view of your phone is giving you problem, you cannot view all the page, you can click this desktop site. Once you click it, you tick it, allow it to load. You have this interface before you, so it will be like this. You will be able to see everything as in the desktop. Then you can zoom it in or out. So once you get to this point, the next thing is to click on this add to Chrome. If you are on a Kiwi browser, what you're going to do is to click these three dotted lines, then click extensions, allow it to open up, then click from store. Click this. Once you click it, you're going to see this interface opening up. All you have to do is you can also do the same thing again, change it to desktop site. So once it changes to desktop site, you can zoom it, scroll down, and you're going to see search extensions and themes. So here you come and you search Metamask. So click search, just click the go button. Now you're going to see different options. So the first one is our concern, which is this one. So click it. So you come to, you see mine is showing remove from Chrome because I already added. Here you see add to Chrome. Now we shall go back to our Mrs. browser. So let us zoom it. Click add to Chrome. Then it will ask you if you want to add it. Simply click OK and then allow it to load. Now once it shows remove from Chrome, so it means that it has been installed. So it will open up automatically, or if it doesn't open up, click this icon here. You're going to see all your extensions. This is Metamask here. If you are on Kiwi Browser, come here, touch these three dots, scroll down, and you're going to see all your installed extensions here. So just touch Metamask. So this is how to install the Metamask extension on the Kiwi and Mrs. browsers. We shall now go back to the Mrs. browser. Now once it's installed, sometimes it opens automatically. If it doesn't, just touch this extension icon and then click Metamask, and then this interface opens up. So once you have this interface, the first thing to do is to click I agree to Metamask terms of use and so on. Then click create a new wallet. So the next thing, click I agree, and now you will be asked to set a password that you won't forget, and after setting the password, you are to confirm the password. So I'm creating this just for practice. So let us assume this is practice is my password. So I'll go down. Though it's weak, always ensure you choose a stronger password that cannot be easily hacked, like any password that has numbers, letters, and symbols. Okay, so let me look for something different. So I have chosen a more stronger password, so you can see the strength is average. So after choosing your password, click I understand this, just tick the box, then click create a new wallet. So once you create a new wallet, you will see, if you want to watch the video, you can see it is just a guide on how to secure your wallet. So you are going to see this option, remind me later or secure my wallet. Now it is recommended that you secure your wallet immediately. So click the second one, secure my wallet now. Now you are going to see this interface before you. Now you can see it is blurred, it is not visible, and make sure nobody is looking. Now, if you reveal the secret phrase, anybody who knows the secret phrase or mnemonics can hack into your account by just importing your wallet to another wallet in another phone and do away with whatever fund you have there. So the more reason you should be very, very careful. So that being the case, since this is just for practice, for tutorial purpose, we are going to make it visible. So what we are going to do is this. You can click reveal secret recovery phrase. So let me reveal it. So these are your secret recovery phrase. So the first thing you are to do, you are to write them down. You are to write them down. It is preferable that you write them down. It is always advisable not to copy to clipboard, not to save it. Just write it down in a paper. You can have a wallet, a jotter, or a book that is very secure. You keep it yourself. Write this down and then keep it in a very safe place. Now, having written down your secret recovery phrase, you are to click next. You can also choose to copy it to clipboard if you want to, save it in your email draft, or you can send this as an email to yourself. If your email is, for instance, cryptobounty@yahoo.com, you put the email as the sender and you also put your email as the receiver. So you send it to yourself, or you can simply save it as a draft in your email, but it is more recommended or most recommended that you write them down in a secure place. So after that, you're going to click next, and when you click next, now it's to prove that you have written down your secret recovery phrase and to be sure you have kept them safe. Some will be missing. For instance, you can see number 3, number 4, number 8 are missing, so you are expected to provide them. Now that you have written them, so confirm whether you've gotten them right. So wallet creation successful, so it means you got them correctly, and then just click. You can read whatever is here. It's still a reminder for you not to reveal your secret phrase to anybody. Then click go, got it. And then next, I can show you how to use MetaMask the various way. Got it done. So now, got it. This is how to create your wallet extension, install your wallet extension. So automatically, you are going to see this. It's going to give you account one. So for instance, if we are to participate in a project, let's take that the project is Audify, one of the projects we've been participating in. So before you click the link, all you have to do is come here, click add account or hardware wallet, and then you click add a new account. Then name, it's better you name the account. You can name the account, let's say Audify. That is it. Then create. Now, to be on the safer side, I will recommend you, once you are written down your secret phrase, all you have to do again in your paper, you can simply click, you write Audify. Account 2 is Audify. Just write it down like that. So in your MetaMask Mrs. extension, account 3 is this. Why is that the case? If for instance anything happens, you misplace your phone or there's a crash in your app and this MetaMask extension was mistakenly uninstalled for whatever reason, once you get hold of your secret recovery phrase, when you create a wallet or you recover your wallet in port, it is this first account that you are going to see in your MetaMask. Every other account will not be there. But MetaMask has a kind of mechanism whereby every account associated with this first account in the order in which they are created or they were created will be seen. So if you had created Audify as account 2 when your phone got missing or your phone crashed and then you imported this with the secret phrase the first account, once you go back and you do add account and or hardware wallet and you create a new account, the account 2 that will always be associated with the account 1 of this MetaMask extension with the same secret phrase will always be the same. So all you have to do now will be with the names you have written down, account 2 is Audify, you'll be able to know which of the wallet is associated with any project. So that's how you do it. Some other things you should know is, as I said earlier, if you want to see all the extensions you have installed, if you are using Mrs. Browser, simply click that icon. You will see all your extensions here. If you are using Kiwi Browser, click these three dotted lines, scroll down, all your extensions will be lined up before the exit option. Then, if you want to see other options as regards the extensions, click this three dotted line, click extensions, it will open up a new page, and then you can see all your extensions. You can decide to remove your extension, that uninstall it. You can decide to just hibernate it for a moment, maybe for some times. Maybe there's a kind of interference with the different extensions and you want to put one to rest for some time. So just simply click this button, this, and then if you come here now, this icon, if you check your extensions, you will see that MetaMask will no longer be here. Same, if I should switch off that one of Phantom, if you come here again, you see Phantom is not here. But if I come back, if I switch them on again, and I come back to this icon, you will see them here again. So this is the way in which you navigate through them. So you can also choose to set any particular extension as your default. So, but I don't set any as a default because different projects may require different extensions. Some may require OKX extension, Phantom extension, Metamask. So let it be option now, so that you can choose between whatever extension. So if you have to set any as default, that means any project you do will always be working with that particular extension. For this video not to be too long, so we shall end the video here. So the second part of this video will be with a practical example. We shall engage in a project by which we shall create a new wallet and connect it so that we can see how it is done. The next video will come just a moment after this one. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so. Hit the notification bell so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Also like and share these videos. Till we come your way again next time, remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.